The interactive 3D simulation allows students to visualize the operation of a yaw gearbox. Animated sequences reveal rotation, speed reduction, assembly and disassembly, and part names. Users can view rotation with the case on, off, or transparent, and see the speed reduction that takes place over several stages. In the disassembly and assembly sequences, students click through the steps to see how the parts fit together to make a functioning reduction unit. Exploded views with part name callouts help identify components. Any of the views can be manipulated in 3 dimensions. The image can be zoomed and rotated, and parts can be moved around the screen as needed. Placing the mouse pointer on a part reveals the part name. A simple download of the 3D file and installation of the free viewer allow access to all of these features. Visit the WinTech TV website for more information about this simulation.